Karnataka has been witnessing gruesome murders lately. Recently, Karnataka woke up to the news of a barbaric day-like murder of a college student, Neha Hiremat from Hubli. Neha Hiremat, the daughter of a Congress corporator, was stabbed to death by the accused named Fayaz. This was inside a college campus. This was in Dharwad, of course. The gruesome murder saw the focus really shift entirely from the case to the fate of the attacker and the victim. The accused has been arrested. The government has transferred the case to the state CID. Yet, shrill love jihad rhetoric continues. My colleague Neha at this point in time is in Hubli, where there are protests going on. And Neha, the BJP seems to be only upping the ante. Take us through what's happening there.
Well, that's right. Of course, Deepak, these aren't protests by the BJP. These are protests by the college students here, by the ABVP as well, a few of them here. But, it's of course important. The agenda that they have right now is to try and get this government to succumb to the pressure of the student organizations here and hand over the case to the CBI. This is the demand that the students have been making from the starting. Of course, while, we've been speaking with the family of Neha Hiremat here, they themselves have expressed satisfaction with the CID probe, and they've said that, of course, they have the students here, of course, on ground, going on to demand something quite different here, saying that justice can only be done to Neha if at all it is handed over to the CBI. We'll quickly try and get in a word here from one of the students. Can you tell us why the students are demanding a CBI probe?
Because CID is a localate government. They are taking the control of CID. We are demanding CBI. This is a clear picture of the case need to be diverted. So we are requesting CBI need to be divided. So we are requesting CBI to be taken action, and the ground level of action need to be done.
But the girl's family, we've spoken to the father, the mother, they are happy with the CID probe. So why do students want a CBI probe?
No, they don't know the correct proper usage of CBI. The CID is getting the control of the state government. So we are requesting CBI. Central government need to be taken their action, or else this case will be getting diverted.
Well, Deepak, you heard from the students there alleging that, the case being in the hands of the state government, they are worried that it might be diverted like they claim. Of course, the politics around this issue not really dying down anytime soon. We'll really have to wait and see on ground as to where all the protests and where all of the drama that's currently on in Hubli comes to an end.
Well, stay with us, Neha. Meanwhile, of course, there's been a lot of developments today as well. We had B.Y. Vijayendra, the party president of the BJP, visit the family. The family, of course, distraught at this point in time, is also, of course, caught in this political tug-of-war that's happening. The Congress is saying there's a fair investigation. The CID is looking into the matter. The court have been formed to fast-track the case, and we are doing everything. And it is the BJP that's trying to take advantage of a murder, is the claims that have come in. Neha, again, if you could bring us those pictures there, of course, and if you could take us through some of the protests that have been happening over the last couple of days, because beat the BJP, now the ABVP, student organizations, you have right-wing groups, all of them really seem to be culminating and coming together.
Well, that's right. Deepak, of course, the students here who have come together now to protest, calling this a case of love jihad. Remember, on day one, minutes after the murder of Neha Hiremat, we saw politics taking center stage in this case. The BJP going on to call it love jihad. The girl's father, who initially called it love jihad, of course, now possibly backtracking on that claim. Later, saw the chief minister tweeting, putting out a post there saying that this shouldn't be unnecessarily politicized. The home minister there saying that, this isn't a case of love jihad. And now we're back to square one, where the students here are accusing the accused over here of having indulged in forcing Neha to convert. A lot of claims that the students have made at this point in time. But of course, we'll really have to wait and see where the politics around this comes to an end.